This is our looped handle block and roll cart. Again, this is the most revised, most recent edition of the traditional block and roll cart. You can see these looped handles provide an infinite handle grip. Doesn't matter where you're grabbing the cart from, whether it's standing up or laying down, you can always get a good grip on the cart. This is done under the licensing from B&R Innovation, so we actually work with them to develop this cart. So you get the best of B&R with their block and roll design. You get the best of Granite Industries as far as quality goes. You can see the overall build quality is great. It's got these aluminum channels that run and are the main supports for the cart. And the wheels are one of the best selling points. These are high quality, closed cell, flat free 10-inch wheels. And we've got a total of 6 of them on this cart. These rear swivel wheels are super nice. Very similar to our e-mover. You can just spin them, spin these carts as needed. Very easy to maneuver. It's got these little 5-inch wheels down here. Those are designed to help over curbs. And then if you stand the cart up, you can see you've got some very sturdy foot grips. Really, wherever you want to be able to put your foot to leverage the cart and get it back, you're easily able to do that. So these carts can handle the biggest blocks block and roll has up to 750 pounds is what we rate these carts at. 700-pound blocks, 350-pound blocks, 500-pound blocks, and that's it. I mean, this is the latest cart. It's got a lot of advantages over the older design and a lot of the same weight capabilities. So we didn't compromise any of the capacity to be able to provide a more improved cart as far as the handle grips go. And if you have any questions about our carts, make sure to ask them below.